In this video, we explore the essential steps for post-harvest site restoration and equipment care. Maintaining your tools and workspace is crucial for safety and long-term durability. Let's start with a quick drill to match our tools to their proper cleaning gear. Can you identify the right partner for each item? Here are the correct matches. Use a fresh water hose for the net, a soft brush for the tub, an absorbent cloth for the scale, and a drying rack for the knife. After you have logged your harvest weight, your immediate next responsibility is to clean your gear, dry it properly, and restore the site to prevent accidents. What went wrong here? We see an abandoned site with tangled nets, unwashed containers attracting pests, and a slippery puddle, all major safety hazards. Let's build our vocabulary. Equipment storage prevents damage, air drying keeps gear mold-free, site restoration maintains order, and hazard mitigation keeps everyone safe. Consider the story of Ben and his team at Kogon Pond. By taking the time to properly clean and store their equipment, they ensured the site remained safe for everyone. Ben's team followed a clear process: wash, process, and result. This simple cycle keeps equipment in great shape and maintains a safe environment. For our first question, the immediate action is to wash all nets and tubs, removing mud and slime to keep gear clean. Next, equipment is dried by hanging nets on shaded, ventilated racks and wiping tubs before storing them in secure lockers. Finally, site restoration is critical because it eliminates slip hazards, prevents tool rust, and keeps the pond area safe for all users. Now let's take a deep dive into the KSAV analysis: knowledge, skills, attitude, and values. Each component is vital for professional work. This framework helps us organize our cleanup, perform tasks efficiently, maintain the right mindset, and uphold our values of nature and community care. To wrap up, remember this 4-step protocol: clean, dry, store, and restore. Consistently following these steps ensures success in your post-harvest activities. Now let's move into our final group application. We have broken into 3 groups: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, to practice these skills using VAK modalities. The visual group will design an illustrated chart of the workflow. The auditory group will perform a jingle on tool care, and the kinesthetic group will lead a hands-on demo. After the activity, reflect on how working together felt and why a clean, organized workspace contributes to a sense of professional pride. We will evaluate these efforts using a rubric that covers procedural accuracy, safety, and organization, alongside your collaboration and reflection skills. Let's review the quick assessment to solidify your knowledge. From the first step of rinsing equipment to addressing slip hazards, these principles are essential. Let's review the final 2 questions of our quick assessment on post-harvest equipment maintenance. Proper tool preservation reflects responsible stewardship for both our school and our nation. Finally, here's the teacher key for the assessment. Compare your answers and reflect on how each choice aligns with our values of environmental and national responsibility. To put what we've learned into practice, inspect a kitchen or garden tool at home and practice proper cleaning, drying, and storage. Afterwards, write a 3-sentence TLE journal entry. As you complete your journal, reflect on our core question: how does mastering tool care and site restoration reflect our responsibility as proud Tagbilaranons and students of Eastern Kogon Elementary School? Always remember, care for your tools today, keep your surroundings safe every day. Great job today, class!